So today, going to a waterfall. I know absolutely nothing about this waterfall. So I'm packing like 3 pairs of shoes because I don't know if I have to hike to the waterfall. I don't know if there are rocks, and I don't know if it's okay to wear sandals. So we're bringing sneakers, these water shoes, and flip-flops. Alright, bringing some snacks. Bag is packed. Also bringing these waterproof shoes that I got in Phuket. They're like rubber on the bottom. They're really good for swimming when there's like rocks underneath. So I thought they'd be good to bring. This is not the waterfall. This is like a mini waterfall. Getting closer. It's broken. We have to climb. Made it to waterfall. What's up? I don't know which place we are in, but we are in some waterfall, and we climbed up for like 400 meters, and it was really wonderful. And there are big and small slopes of waterfall, and we really enjoyed over there. The water is crystal clear, and I don't know if it's sweet or not because I didn't taste it. But hopefully I'll invite you to come over here. It's Fang district, Chiang Mai, Thailand. See ya! We climbed the waterfall and now we are making lunch. So she's making food, salad, and we have chicken and papaya. Papaya and tomatoes, lemon, beans, strawberries, we just finished one, and now some of us went in the water. The water is very cold.
So we had to leave the waterfall because it started raining. But overall, good experience.